In my first video of the educational exploration series, I have touched upon what are the various educational options you have upon the completion of class 10. So one of them happened to be the diploma in Polytechnic. Now in today's video, I am going to discuss about what are the various educational options upon the completion of diploma Polytechnic. My name is Sriram and welcome to careerco.sriram. Before getting into the actual video, I would like to discuss that diploma means here only the Polytechnic. There are other diplomas available too, which vary from around 2 weeks to up to 2 years. And those diplomas are quite different from the ones which I am talking about, which is diploma in Polytechnic. So if ever I use diploma or Polytechnic, both mean the same as far as this video is concerned. So now let's get ahead into the video. So the first of the opportunity you have in education exploration after completing diploma is engineering. So engineering, there is a mechanism called as lateral entry, wherein the student who have completed diploma can straight away enter into the second year of engineering and then they can finish off their engineering. Now if a student has completed diploma in mechanical, they are more suitable for mechanical related streams in engineering. For example, they can go for automobile engineering, mechanical engineering itself, or thermodynamics, something like that. So anything that is related to mechanical engineering, they may go through that. Now there is a small catch here, which is they may have to write an entrance test that depends upon various universities and boards and state boards. For example, you take Telangana, there is a separate entrance test for the engineering students for who have completed their diploma. So upon the completion of the test and undergoing the counseling, they will be allotted seats accordingly. Fortunately, if they have seats already available, even without the counseling, they can get into it. But they have to be fortunate enough for that. Now that we have discussed about the engineering, now let's talk about the other streams. Now the second of the options the students of diploma have is they can go for Bachelor of Science, or in short BSc. If a student has completed diploma in say electronics stream, then they can opt for BSc in electronics. So there are various colleges available across our entire country. Usually the graduate programs like BSc are only offered through the affiliated colleges and not the actual universities. So we have to be very careful in choosing good college in this case. Now let's look at the next option. The third of the options the students who have diploma can do is BCA, which stands for Bachelor of Computer Applications. This is again a 3-year program like normal graduation. However, this focuses completely on the computer related course, which means software development and other areas in computer science will be covered in this particular stream. So ideally, people who want to pursue their academics in computers and also the career in computers usually prefer this particular program. Now let's look at the next one. The fourth of the option is BBA, which stands for Bachelor of Business Administration. So all those diploma holders who are interested to enter into the management or business education can prefer this. Here, all the topics related to the management stream will be taught. And people who want to pursue higher education after BBA, which is MBA, this will stand as a very strong foundation. And BBA again is a 3-year graduate program. There are some colleges which offer BBA honors, which means they have a 4-year program. Usually they are kind of considered as MBA degree themselves. But you need to find out whether the college is offering you the BBA honors program or not before joining. The fifth of the options the students have is BArch, which stands for Bachelor of Architecture. Now people who have completed their diploma in civil engineering or relevant streams can opt for this because this will act as an add-on for their further career options. So people who want to have a career in the construction field usually prefer these kind of programs. So think about this once again before joining into the program. Now let's get into the next one. The sixth option you have upon the completion of diploma is Bachelor of Design. This is usually offered by various premier institutes across this country. So there are various industries where this particular program has its opportunities. For example, you can take the industries in construction or fashion or IT. There are many more areas, even product design. So all such companies require people who have good creativity, and this particular program will augment the talent inside you through a comprehensive 4-year program. So this is a good opportunity for all those who are very creative in their fields. Now let's talk about the next program. The seventh of the opportunity you have is to go for BHM, which stands for Bachelor of Hotel Management. Frankly, this has nothing to do with your diploma stream, but while doing diploma, if ever you have felt that you are more towards the culinary side, which means on the food side, then maybe Bachelor of Hotel Management is a program for you. So again, if you are passionate about it, you can prefer this particular stream. There are various openings across various hotels and also restaurants across this country who have completed this particular program. So let's move to the next one. Now that we have learnt about the various courses we can do upon the completion of diploma, there is one thing I would like to add. Now, the syllabus structure of the various colleges has been designed in such a way that it is comprehensively covering across the entire country. So if you want to make any change to the syllabus structure, it will take a lot of time. But the industry out there is quite dynamic in nature. It keeps on updating every moment. Now, how are you going to handle such updation? It can be possible if you undergo something called as certifications. Now, these are available both online as well as offline. Now, nowadays, everybody has got a mobile with internet connection. So, fortunately, you have access to online certification programs. And interestingly, they are quite economical. In the sense, if you want to go for any certification program in offline mode, there are high chances that they are more than 1000 rupees. But there are various websites like Udemy where they give regularly offers where the courses are available for just 500 rupees. And that price may be little fluctuating, but this is how the price will be like. And upon the successful completion of the course, you will be given a certificate also. And this will also give you a skill along with the certificate that helps you get a good job easily. So do remember to enroll yourself for the various certifications. I am going to cover a comprehensive videos on various MOOCs available because our very own government is also running an MOOC wherein they are providing free of cost the certification programs to various students. So I'll be covering a video on that very soon. Now let's talk about one last thing before leaving. Okay, the last and the most important educational option is to go for something called as AMIE. I am planning to cover a separate video for AMIE because it is so important that it is equivalent to the regular BE or BTechs. AMIE stands for Associate Member of Institution of Engineers, and all the diploma holders can opt for this, and the certificate you get is quite valuable. Many government sector organizations consider AMIE certificates. Now if you have completed your diploma and you have to work, otherwise your family do not survive, then my best suggestion is to go for this AMIE. Now I'll be covering, as I said, I'll be covering a video upon this very soon. Okay. On a final note, before leaving, I want to tell you one very important thing. All the programs which I have mentioned in this video have only been covered for information purpose. I have not touched upon them in detail because I want to do a comprehensive video on each of the programs in my future videos. So if you like this video, please hit that like button. If you didn't, you may also go for dislike button, but please do mention the reasons in the comment section so that future videos posted by me will be improved. And also do not forget to hit that notification bell so that as and when a new video is uploaded, that will be shown on your screen. Thank you very much. This is Sriram signing off, careerco.sriram.